Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix too many redirects in ChatGPT. First of all, this happens when you have been using your ChatGPT in your browser and you have been searching for a lot of things like your prompts, and it is showing you errors because that is too many things at a small amount of time. If you would like to fix it, head over to your browser, select this three dot icon, scroll below, select settings. You're going to have to clear the browser's cache, select privacy and security. In here, select delete browsing data, tap onto it and make sure that you only select the cookies and site data or simply just the browsing history. Filter your time date and select delete data. Now next what you have to do is long tap onto your Chrome, select the eye icon. You will see a settings page of app info, select storage, clear cache. Now go ahead, restart your device and then launch your browser again. Now in here, try ChatGPT here and it will work fine.